Hey guys, Chantal Good from Varntige here, letting you know about our new DIY Rocketspark website workshops. So these are a new workshop that we've brought out in the last 2 months, and they are made for a small business or a new business that wants to get a website live but doesn't have the cash flow, the money coming in to pay $3,000, $5,000 to get their website up and running. So we held one, I'm trying to remember when, I don't think it was last week, I think it was the week before, and the 3 participants that were at that workshop all now have their websites live. So the idea is you come in for 4 hours, you sit down with our graphic designer, you go through the process that we use to create websites, and in that 4-hour time frame you can come with your laptop, content, photos, those kind of things ready to go, and at the end of it you can leave with a live website. So really cool workshop, and yeah, we just wanted to be able to create something that was made for the smaller business, because I can understand when I started my business, you know, I didn't have a $3 budget to build a website, and a lot of people don't. So these could be for you. Have a look on our website and book a ticket. See you soon.